Jotono no kolomkani channel faidinai nutini omo guest lecturer omo Ambedkar College onokuti Tripurani or jagawo working interview ungnai or 22nd December omo guest lecturer ni bagai season kangkai up to 10 June joran 10 June joran aro guest lecturer tongnai o jaga angkai for taking a maximum 90 classes by each guest lecture obo guest lecturer nang 90 classes jorate khalajang mano omo angko up o season ta angkai oro je candidate interest tongnai to khlaidi ko 22nd December oro plain paper taini ni je documents tongmani 22nd December je pro interview ngo pro to angkai oro sajaka original document bu sajaka angkai selection ungnai boro selection khainai obo merit list ni basic tei angkai obo bo chao kaisa angkai pia oro sajaka nagi reference rejangnai jejeni khaijak PhD khaijak borno angkai subject na kharo kok borok te physics ni department ro angkai khlaiman oro sin borok kok borok hanga interview rimani angkai norongni joto documents lang thangdi angkai naidi boni web page borjak tongo iko oro thangdi oro thangka angkai khamkai no saimana na angkai omo to 22nd December ni bisingo omo 22nd December ongnai angkai je candidate interest tongnai to thangdi khlaidi omo bo kahon no guest lecturer angkai omo to permanent tong lak obo iko sajaka oro no academic season 2021 to 22 up to 10 June 2022 dora nongnai obo classes khlaijani 90 classes nangma khlainai angkai amsung no jaga iko Ambedkar College Kotikrai